Countries around the world are struggling to contain a virus that's upended life as we know it.
Right now, this disease is causing so much pain, so many challenges, so much fear and anxiety.
This is Nate from 3D Brooklyn. Like many of you right now, Will, Max, and I want to help out our community in any way possible. We all know the medical world is in desperate need of personal protection equipment.
We've been conserving personal protective equipment, or things like masks, gowns, face shields.
And the larger manufacturers can't get up and running fast enough.
We are not getting large shipments in. Reuse is something that is being seen across the country.
Because we're smaller and more nimble, we can actually make these face shields right here and have already started production in our Brooklyn studio.
We have to protect each other. We have to help each other.
This is where you come in. In order to bridge the gap until larger manufacturing operations get up and running, or until supplies from overseas land, we need funding for more materials and more machines so that we can make more masks to protect more medical staff. And we have to get going now. We're appealing to anyone who can donate any amount, big or small. We'll pool it all together, and whatever you give will make a difference. But it's crucial that we act now. We have to take care of those taking care of us. Please click on the link and send it to everyone you know. Be safe and be well.